In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances can be challenging, but fear not. In this short video, we'll show you how to create and stick to a budget to achieve your financial goals. Number 1. Setting financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is the first step. Identify what you want to achieve and establish a realistic time frame. Number 2. Creating a budget. Creating a budget involves knowing your income, listing all expenses, and ensuring you allocate money for savings and unexpected situations. Number 3. Tracking expenses. Track your expenses regularly to identify spending patterns and make necessary adjustments. Number 4. Sticking to the budget. Sticking to the budget might be challenging, but it's crucial for achieving your financial goals. Prioritize your needs over wants. Number 5. Dealing with unexpected events. Life is full of surprises. Having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind during unexpected events. In conclusion, by setting clear goals, creating a budget, tracking expenses, and sticking to it, you can take control of your finances and work towards your dreams. Remember, financial freedom begins with budgeting. Start today, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips.